Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can change your financial future: passive income. Imagine waking up in the morning to see your bank account grow, all while you sip coffee and relax. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's not just a dream. With the right strategies, you can create streams of income that work for you, even while you sleep. So, if you're ready to learn how to build passive income with 10 smart ways, stick around. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Real estate investing. First up, we have real estate investing. Investing in rental properties can be a fantastic way to earn passive income. Did you know that the average annual return on real estate investment is about 10%? Just think about that 10%. Consider buying a duplex, renting out one side, and living in the other. Not only do you cover your mortgage, but you also generate cash flow every month. Number 2. Dividend stocks. Next, let's talk about dividend stocks. These are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. Think of it as getting paid to own a piece of the company. For example, companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson have a long history of paying dividends. If you invest $10,000 and get a 4% dividend yield, that's $400 a year. Just remember to do your research and look for companies with a strong track record. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Coming in at number 3 is peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper let you lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest. This can yield returns as high as 5% to 12%. Just be aware of the risks. Like any investment, there's a chance the borrower may default. But with a diversified portfolio, you can minimize those risks. Number 4. Create an online course. Our fourth strategy is to create an online course. If you have expertise in a subject, be it cooking, graphic design, or digital marketing, why not share it? Websites like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to set up your course and sell it repeatedly. Imagine creating a course once and earning money from it for years to come. The online education market is projected to reach $375 billion by 2026. Get in on this trend. Number 5. Write an ebook. Fifth on our list is to write an ebook. Similar to online courses, ebooks allow you to share your knowledge while earning passive income. Once published, an ebook can generate sales for years. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing can help you reach a massive audience. Plus, you can even bundle multiple ebooks for extra income. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Number 6 is affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services through your blog or social media, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links. Some affiliate programs can pay up to 50% per sale. A great example is Amazon Associates, where you can link to products you love. Just remember to be genuine and only promote what you truly believe in. Number 7. High-yield savings accounts. 7th on our list is to invest in high-yield savings accounts. While not the most exciting option, these accounts typically offer interest rates much higher than standard savings accounts, sometimes up to 3% or more. It's a great way to earn a bit more in your emergency fund without any risk. Just make sure you check for any fees that might cut into your earnings. Number 8. Start a YouTube channel. 8th, we have starting a YouTube channel. If you're passionate about a topic, share it. Once you build an audience, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, or even merchandise sales. Many YouTubers have turned their passion into six-figure incomes. Just remember, consistency and quality content are key. Number 9. Stock photography. 9th on our list is stock photography. If you love photography, consider selling your images on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Each time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty. It's a perfect way to make money from something you already enjoy. Just make sure to create high-quality, in-demand images. Number 10. Create an app or software. Last but not least, let's talk about creating an app or software. If you have coding skills or can hire someone who does, developing an app that solves a problem can bring in passive income through sales or subscriptions. For instance, apps like Calm and Headspace generate millions by offering premium subscriptions. With the right idea, your app could be the next big thing. And there you have it, 10 smart ways to build passive income. Remember, the key to passive income is to start small and be consistent. Over time, these streams can grow into something significant. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome content, and share your own passive income ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.